In this video, we will learn how to perform the bisecting angle technique in the intraoral radiographs. In bisecting angle technique, the X-ray beam is directed such that it is perpendicular to the line that bisects the line between the long axis of the tooth and the film. The principle behind the bisecting angle technique is the Szymanski's rule of isometry. The long axis of tooth forms one line and the X-ray film forms one line. And the X-ray beam is such directed that it is perpendicular to the bisecting angle that is formed between the two lines. AD represents the long axis of teeth while the AB represents the film. By the ASA congruency, the length of the tooth axis is equal to the image formed on the film.
Szymanski's rule of isometry says that two triangles are equal if they have two equal angles and share a common side.
We will demonstrate bisecting angle technique on patient. It is better to ask the patient in which language he or she is comfortable so that we can converse in the same language. ये फिल्म अब मैं आपके मुंह में रखने वाली हूँ. इसे उंगली से अपने दांतों की तरफ पकड़ के रखना है और मैं जैसे सर झुकाने बोलूँगी वैसे करना.
First, identify the occlusal dot on the film. The surface which has the occlusal dot should face the tooth surface.
For maxillary arch, the head is positioned in such a way that the maxillary arch is parallel to the floor. आपका सर सामने लीजिए. For mandibular arch, the head is tipped backwards such that the occlusal plane should be parallel to the floor.
The occlusal dot should be above the occlusal plane and there should be at least 2 mm of occlusal clearance of the film. Understand how to place the film for physics. Film should be placed such that the occlusal dot is facing the occlusal plane and there should be minimum of 2 mm of occlusal clearance. Then ask the patient to put his finger against the film, place the film as close to the tooth surface as possible and ask the patient to hold the film tightly against the tooth surface.
Film should be such placed that the teeth to be radiographed should occupy a central position.
For the mandibular molar, the vertical angulation should be -5 degree.
Vertical angulation for mandibular anteriors, it should be -15 for incisors and -20 for the canines. Vertical angulation for maxillary molar should be +20. Vertical angulation for maxillary anteriors, it should be +40 for incisor and +45 for canine. Vertical angulation for mandibular posterior, it should be -5 for molars and -10 for premolars. Film placement using film holder for mandibular molars. Use of film holder isn't mandatory. A staple bite block can also be used.
Now we are going to learn advantages and disadvantages of bisecting angle technique or short cone technique. The primary advantage is that it can be used without film holder with different anatomy of patient. Example, shallow palate, bony growth, sensitive mandibular premolar area. The second advantage is that decreased exposure time as a short PID is used. If all angulations are correct, tooth image is the same as that of tooth itself. The disadvantages of bisecting angle technique are use of short PID results in X-ray divergence leading to image magnification. Horizontal and vertical angulations have to be assessed for every patient, hence it requires skill. In film holding technique, hand is unnecessarily exposed to primary beam. Shadow of zygomatic bone frequently overlaps root of premolars.